Dan from howistayfit.com. I've had some questions about protein I wanted to answer here. How much protein do you need? Now, that will depend on how active you are, if you are a resistance training athlete, or if you are older. We know that as you age, your body actually requires more protein. If you are more athletic, more sporty, more physically active, your protein requirements will be higher too. So I like to go with a figure of 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight as your minimum daily protein intake. So if you weighed 200 pounds, you'd take in 200 grams of protein a day. That's what I'd want you taking in minimum. I've seen people taking way more than that, and it's not a problem, because any excess protein, if it doesn't get used for muscle building, for repair, then usually you just wee it out, or some of that gets converted into glucose. It's not going to harm you unless you have some kind of pre-existing kidney condition. So I wouldn't worry too much about the high protein intake. In fact, I'd highly recommend it. Protein has a high thermic effect of food, TEF, so that means that a good portion of the protein you take in is actually used up during the digestion process itself. So eat your protein. Hey guys, just a reminder to sign up for my free 14-day challenge, the Doughnut Diet, where over 14 days I will teach you the flexible dieting system I use to lose body fat, gain muscle and tone up, all while still getting to eat my favorite junk food. So click on the link, sign up, and I can't wait to have you with me.